G700. Would you just look at this thing? This is a brand new conversion that's been done here in the UK by Sandown Brabus. And this thing just looks mean as hell. I can do a quick walk around, let you know all the little bits and bobs that have been done to it. Obviously it's had the full B700 remap. I'm not too sure if it involves new engine components. I imagine it probably does, but this obviously brings it up to 700 horsepower. You've got the amazing 23-inch monoblock wheels, which I'm kind of considering black ones for my GLE. So let me know what you think about that. You can see the full matte carbon bonnet bulges. I'm not sure if they take air in. I think they probably don't. I think they're probably cosmetic, but it looks amazing. And look, I mean, the joins are just, it looks completely seamless. You've obviously got the big double B, which I think looks pretty good in this kind of chrome black Brabus badge there. Now this bumper is a completely new bumper, one piece I believe. And you can see how that wraps right round. Changes the look of the car quite substantially. You've got these amazing vents here again. Okay, yeah, I don't think they're functional, but they certainly look absolutely fantastic. V8 700. The additional LED footwell lighting, which I guess links all the way back to these here. And look at those pipes. Wow, somebody's been polishing those for quite some time, I think, because they look fantastic. We come out to the back. Again, you've got the 23-inch monoblock wheels. More of the vents on the back. Oh yes, I think I like that. Fantastic Brabus spare wheel cover. And I think we probably have a completely new bumper diffuser back here, letting you know you're in a G700. So guys, I was just checking some of my facts here, and this is a completely new wheel arch. Now if you just look here, there is no way you could tell that this wasn't from factory. And I guess that's the thing, if you're spending £250,000 on a car, it should look like it's from factory. I really like these footwell lights. I think they're really cool. And this Brabus sign right here illuminates. There we go. I don't know if you can tell in the light, but this illuminates. And just like this little badge here illuminates. Now, the G700 upgrade is a pure software ECU remap. There are no physical components that go with it, so I correct myself there, or I clarify. But this thing is just, oh, if I could afford it, guys, this would have been the kid wagon. Maybe next time round. It's a fairly standard AMG interior here with some Brabus parts. Now, if you wanted to go full Brabus retrim, what they would do is strip your car down here at Sandown, and they would actually send your seats back to Bottrop, and you would end up with a completely bespoke interior. This is fairly standard AMG, but what you do have is you have the illuminated Brabus door sills, the Brabus mats, Got Brabus pedals here. These are lovely. Look at those. Oh, they're nice. And I think we've got a few other bits and bobs, but I'm not sure what they are. Oh, there they are. Oh, check these out. Full Brabus paddles. Much longer, sportier. Now this isn't a Brabus feature, but this is the first time I've seen rear seat entertainment in the G. It's good for the little ones when you're setting the town on fire. Now I get the pleasure of going for a ride in the G700.